I forgot to record this intro, and of course I have to put some lipstick and just comb my hair because I look like a mess. Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying crafty and healthy as well. And in today's video I am going to show you how I'm sorting, organizing some of my Halloween supplies, and also how I clean this small craft room. So come with me and watch me sorting things together and vacuuming, cleaning as well. Let's roll the camera. Oh my goodness. So come with me and let's clean this mess. Here is my sewing machine, and then I'm gonna put it on the floor because it goes on the other side momentarily. And look at that, look at all this mess that I have right now. So I work on some things here, and I got these last year in a swap. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to try to throw away all the all the little paper scraps. So I don't have a garbage can, so I use these double-sided bag. So I am going to be collecting. My goodness, I have so much crap here. Like, I used to hoard things like this, but not anymore. Not anymore. I am just throwing everything away. I do not have like a junk drawer where I can just, collect the mess. And all these, my goodness, all these, I can do embellishments, but no, I'm not going to do that. So definitely I'm going to throw things, all these little pieces that I had. My goodness. Oh, this was my template for the junk journal that I put together. And yeah, I got these. I'm going to throw these away. My goodness. I got so much mess. And let me see. So these are tags. These are really cute little things, and this is how one of my decorations, my first craft room, and some things that I bought years ago, and definitely I'm going to throw these away. And here are all my scissors. I normally put everything on that other side. The tape, it will go underneath my stuff. I don't know if you're able to see that. I'm probably going to turn around a little bit the camera so you guys can see better. This is a scrapbook layout that I was planning to do someday. And jammies. They go on the other side. So I am trying to see how I'm going to be reorganizing these. So I'm trying to separate things here, right? That they don't belong here. And these are my trims. So I had these little container full of trims, and I better, put them away. I got this tool. Here's the ghosties. So let's see what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna put these here. And any little pieces of trim, yes, I'm saving that because those can be used for, junk journals, tabs, etc. And then these other one, it should go on the other side, so I'm going to put that over here. Oh my goodness. So what else? Let me see. Oh. Okay. So that is contained. And then sequin mix, more little pieces here and there. I don't need that. I do not need that. And do not need that. What else? Do not need that. Trying to fix everything. And let's see. These are some of the embellishments. No, ephemera pieces from the Fabulous collection, not Spooky. Then these other ones are, my goodness, this is all the ephemera from this other collection, Echo Park, from last year. And I better probably put this in here as well. I'm confused. Yeah, I just have all these ephemera pieces that I'm planning to definitely put everything together. That, what else I have here? My goodness. Some of these tags, more tape, put it over here. Okay, what else do I have here? Oh my goodness, this is just so overwhelming. And let's see, these are these Dollar Tree things, kind of pinks that I was using for my junk journal. And let's do ephemera, stickers, ephemera, pieces, stickers. Ephemera, loose ephemera, contain ephemera. What is in here? Loose piece, I'm going to throw that away. Ephemera, and this is other ephemera piece. What I have, you know what? I'm just gonna combine everything. You know, I'm not going to fuss about it. So I have these contained. These are die cuts. More ephemera, die cuts, ephemera. It's gonna be a never-ending story. More ephemera pieces here. Oh, and I put these together. How cute. Loose ephemera, die cuts. More loose ephemera. More loose ephemera. Loose ephemera, loose ephemera, loose ephemera. My goodness, there's like so many loose ephemera everywhere. This, throw that away. Loose ephemera. Oh my goodness. Loose ephemera. Okay, contain loose ephemera. Now, over here, what do I have over here? I got more pieces, more ephemera from this collection. Happy Halloween crepe paper. Put that over here, the same thing. So I need to get that ephemera. I'm gonna cut loose paper away. Oh, these are cards. I need to put these cards on another side. I'm probably gonna throw these away. And then I have more die cuts. More die cuts. And more stickers. Loose ephemera. Only stickers. flowers. Oh, I got more of these. This is a Happy Halloween crepe paper ephemera. Such a pretty ephemera. I'm probably gonna save these. And then, what else I have? Oh, ribbons. Where are my ribbons? Are in this stash over here. I'm gonna put the ribbons over here. And then, oh my goodness, I think this was Spooky Boo 2023 things that I probably have to like throw away. More die cuts. I'm gonna throw that away. Throw that away. Oh, these are the stamps that I was using. Finally, I got to use these stamps, recollection stamps. The journal. Oh, I got these. So this is a I'm gonna put that. Bows. Oh, and then this other. This is chipboard, and this is the Happy Halloween ephemera. So, not bad, right? Washi tape's gonna go in the cart. That. Oh, this is a loose ephemera from. I'm gonna put it over here. Boy, 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 boy. So, not bad, right? Oh, another one. This is a lollipop. And this is a card that I made that I need to go away. So, it doesn't look that bad. So, let's see. These are my inks. But I have to put them away. More ephemera from this Happy Halloween. Okay. Trims. I'm gonna put these trims over here because I might use that. And not bad. So semi-organized, right? Now I'm gonna put these away. And oh, my stamp. And I will be right back. Well, I am back, and let me put the camera so you guys can see better. So, oh my goodness, I clean everything super nice. I'm getting ready also to vacuum, and here I contained all the stuff that was loose. I got all the ephemera in this big pack, so if I want to reach for the Halloween ephemera, all the stickers, foamy stickers, this thing that I have to go through, some photos, all my loose die cuts are over here, and then the big loose die cuts are over here. And yeah, so it took me, a while, a time, but my whole purpose is just to finish everything. After I'm crafting, I want to have a clean craft room, so the next day I can, get motivated and, finish everything, right? And continue. So on this other side, let me see. Look at that. This is all the fabulous collection that I am going to put this on top over here. And what else? I have this die that I have to, I don't know, it's a suitcase, so I might be doing some Halloween suitcase on it. And then here are the I want to say oh my goodness, the thread that I'm going to place it over here. I know this is all where all my fabrics are in the card. The card looks good over here. I'm not gonna show a little bit because that's a swap that I'm finally finishing on it. So yeah, so now the next step is to vacuum this place. my goodness. So my crafty friends, thank you for watching the video and see me how I organize and clean this craft room. So again, my goal is to, if I craft, I have to clean everything up so the next day I can get more inspired and finish some swaps that I'm right now trying to work and finish everything, right? Thanks again for watching, my crafty friends, and see you in my next video. Bye.